Hey there, welcome to the Plant-Based Scratch Kitchen. You know, since going 100% plant-based, I have found that my endurance as well as my recovery, my mental acuity is greatly enhanced. This also benefits my ultra-endurance cycling events, and that is great. One thing, though, I have found that I can no longer eat, and that is chocolate. I have found that the chocolate gives me a headache as well as disrupts my sleep from the small amount of caffeine that's there. However, I have found a substitute, and this is what I'm going to share with you today, and that is Carob. Carob is 100% gluten-free. It is 100% caffeine-free. It looks very similar to cocoa. It definitely does not taste like cocoa. Probably tastes a little closer to cacao, which is a less processed form of cocoa. However, it is definitely not chocolate. But this recipe, you won't even miss the chocolate. I'm using 1 cup of almond milk, half a cup of ice, half of a frozen banana, half of an avocado, 1 tablespoon of carob, some nut butter, and a pinch of sea salt. We're just going to add it all into this blender. Now, if you feel you don't want to use half of an avocado, that's fine. You could go with a quarter or even eliminate it completely if you wanted to reduce the amount of fat. But the avocado does provide some creaminess. Now I've added my carob as well as the almond butter. You could use any of your favorite nut butters, peanut butter or cashew butter. All of those nut butters just provide some additional creaminess as well as masking a bit of the unique flavor of the carob. Now I have some almond milk. You could use water or soy milk, any of your favorite nut milks, and then a pinch or so of sea salt. This also helps just boost the flavor and reduce a bit of the bitterness of carob. Now we're just going to blend it for about 30 seconds and it's done. If I was using this as a post-recovery drink, I might add a little more water or ice, but this is ready to enjoy. It is so good, so fantastic. I don't even miss chocolate anymore. Thanks for watching, share, and subscribe. For more, go to speakingwellness.com.